Hey everyone, I'm in the basement floor of Seacon Square, and here we have this little subsection that's underneath the Lotus department store. And we're just gonna go to one store today though, the Fuggler store. So it's called Giveme Blindboxes, and here we got the Fugglers. And I think these are legitimate ones. They have the Zuru logo. The boxes are in color. I think some of the fake ones are only in black ink. And if you're Thai, you can actually get a discount. This 50/50 discount, but it's only up to 200 baht. They have a bunch of used toys in here. Well, maybe just open boxes, so you can get some good discounts in here. I was eyeing some the other day. Yeah, little things, big things. So $12.90. If you're from the West, you might not want to buy from here. Obviously, a Walmart's going to be cheaper, or Amazon maybe even. That rainbow one's really cool. Oh, they have the Jaws one. Nice, and Gandalf. Bags. What is this SpongeBob one? $4.90. These are really expensive. The SpongeBob ones. Everywhere though. Oh, they even have the big ones here. There's some big Fugglers. Those teeth, they're monstrous. Oh wow, even the Christmas ones. These are like from 2024. Yeah, you got that Patrick one from SpongeBob. Whoa, what's this one? This person has some old Fugglers. Old collections. I've never even seen this one. Or that one. This one has eyelashes like a woman. I've never seen that one. Or maybe these are new. Oh, this might be a new collection. Fog Stars. I've never even known about this. Mojo Jojo. Impressive. So yeah, I got some new releases. You can park right next door as well. There's the Lotus sign there. Alright, well anyways, if you're getting into Fuggler fever, you might want to check this place out.